1952 Cadillac Series 62. Price, $10,750. Location, Nevada. The 1952 Cadillac Series 62 is a remarkable piece of American automotive history that instantly transports you back to the golden age of luxury motoring. Finished in a beautiful white exterior and built with a Fisher body, this classic Cadillac represents an era when style, prestige, and craftsmanship were more important than ever. Even after more than 7 decades, its presence remains impossible to ignore. The first thing you'll notice is the unmistakable Cadillac styling. From the gleaming chrome trim to the iconic hood ornament and signature tail fins, every detail was designed to make a statement. These styling cues helped Cadillac become one of the most respected luxury brands in America during the 1950s. Parked or cruising down the road, this car commands attention wherever it goes. The power comes from a legendary Cadillac V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission featuring column-mounted controls. Luxury options such as power steering, a 4-barrel carburetor, and dual exhausts showcase the advanced engineering that Cadillac offered buyers at the time. These features made driving easier, smoother, and more enjoyable than many competing vehicles of the era. The interior was designed with comfort in mind. A classic 2-spoke steering wheel with a horn ring, period-correct styling, and spacious seating create an authentic vintage driving experience. Additional highlights include a Jensen radio, fender-mounted antenna, wire wheels, a full-size spare tire in the trunk, the original jack, and extra spare parts. These details add character and increase the car's appeal to collectors and restoration enthusiasts. The most exciting part of this story is the opportunity this Cadillac presents. While the vehicle is currently not running, it offers an incredible chance for someone to bring a true American luxury icon back to life. The restoration market for classic Cadillacs remains strong, and a completed project like this can become a centerpiece at car shows, cruise nights, and collector events. The fact that this is a California original car makes it even more desirable. Vehicles from the western United States are often sought after because of their history and potential preservation advantages. Combined with its elegant styling and historical significance, this Cadillac has all the ingredients of a rewarding restoration project. The price may be the biggest surprise of all. At just $10,750, this 1952 Cadillac Series 62 costs less than many modern used economy cars. For collectors searching for an affordable entry into the world of classic luxury automobiles, opportunities like this don't come around very often. This Nevada classic could be the perfect chance to own a genuine symbol of American automotive excellence before someone else claims it.